So I just got a Monarch Butterfly MakerKid Kit. Or you could just say it's a MakerKid Kit. Thumbs up when you're ready. Andy. If she hears something drop on the floor, she'll go and just grab it. So I just got a MakerKid Kit and I'm just gonna gently pop them out, and it's all gonna be wooden. But when you pop the wings out, don't pop these out. The cells, don't pop the cells out. And I'm gonna wait to color it. I'm gonna wait in a few minutes because I don't think I'm in the coloring mode right now. It says you need, right here up top, it says 2 markers. I have the markers in here, I can color. 6 legs, count our legs. And 6. So I have 6 legs, just put them right there. Then you're gonna need 3 connectors. One's gonna look like an itsy bitsy spider. One's gonna look like this, it's gonna be wide. One's gonna be small, like a little snout. Then after that, you're gonna need 1 body, just 1 little body, little worm. And you're gonna need 2 heads. They're gonna look like the same ones. And 2 hind wings. These are the hind wings. And about the wings, you're not gonna poke out these, the cells. You're not gonna poke out the cells. And then you're gonna need 2 forewings. 4 wings means like the front wings. So first you're gonna grab your little itsy bitsy spider. Then you're gonna grab all 6 of your legs. But when you put them in, don't put them in this big pouch. And when you're gonna put them in like this. So they get put in like this. So this part is facing up. And you can take your time while putting them in. You don't have to go really fast. Now when this is done, it looks like a tarantula. If you flip it down, it looks like a spider. But this is the way you really want it, like this. So it's up, like a little slide. And after that, you're gonna grab this, your little wormy, and hook it in. So you see this? You're gonna hook it into this big slot. Then you're gonna grab these 2. So you're gonna get this small one that looks like a little trunk. You're gonna get it like this little small one. Then you're gonna hook it in the front of this and hook it. Then you're gonna get this one that's a big trunk. And you're just gonna hook this one in. So now it looks like I don't know what it looks like. But then after that, you're gonna grab these and put them in. And hook this one in, the other one. Then you're gonna grab these small little ones, your hind wings, and hook them in this way. And hook them in the big slots. Then you're gonna grab the other one. But you're gonna put them in this way. And then you're gonna put this one in. Then you're gonna grab this one and hook it in. This is a Monarch Butterfly MakerKid Kit. This is a Monarch Butterfly MakerKid Kit. MakerKid Kit. I got mixed up with those words.